Hello there, welcome to another vlog. Today we decided to go out on a bit of a road trip. It's been locked down and we couldn't really go out and see South Africa, or at least Gauteng, some nice places here. So last month we had our 1-year wedding anniversary and we couldn't do anything because it was locked down, and it was
and we were sick.
Oh yeah, and we were sick with COVID, so we were quite out of it. We didn't feel good, but we're good, we're healthy again, recovered, and now we want to go out and explore again. So we decided to go to Hartbeespoort Dam. We're gonna go to Yasmin, which is a very, very nice market, like a fruit and veg, a big fruit and veg shop. They've got goods or sweets from the Netherlands.
We're also gonna look for new places here that we haven't seen. It's pretty busy. It's holiday. That's it.
Yeah, we wanna see what places we can go eat at. A nice place around here. We usually go eat at Yasmin at the windmill, which is also very good.
Yeah.
But we want to try something new.
Yeah, there's lots of new nice restaurants here.
Yeah. And now we're waiting in traffic to go through the tunnel and over the dam, on the dam wall. So stay tuned to see that. So we've just been through the other side of the bridge, or the other side of the tunnel. Not much on the other side, just a lot of markets, not too much restaurants. We're looking for a nice place to have lunch now. Amanda's googling or Instagramming one of the restaurants that we're thinking about going to. Yeah, not much on the other side though.
Yeah, there's a few nice places, but not our vibe. So we're going to the other side.
Yeah. And now we're sitting in traffic again to go to the other side of the bridge. The nice bridge. Dam wall. That dam wall. So now we're waiting to go through the tunnel.
And we waited almost an hour to go back.
Yeah, it's too many cars here. Very pretty.
That's cool.
And through the tunnel. Then again, don't come on a public holiday.
Yeah.
Else it's super busy like this. Yeah, it took us maybe what, an hour and a half just to go through and come back again. Say hi.
One of my favorite places in South Africa to do grocery shopping. I was panicking, I thought it would be closed. Oh, so much traffic, so many people.
We're on our way out now. We did our shopping, our grocery shopping and veggie and fruit shopping. Now just the other side of Yasmay. Very nice Dutch buildings on the left.